Welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about how to create a login page. In this login page we are containing username and password, and also this is a login button. Whenever the cursor is moved on to this login button, see the color is changing, and also we are having forgot password. Whenever the cursor is moved on to this one, you can see below underline is coming, and also for sign up also same. Today we are discussing about this login page. This is a simple login page. Let's start the video. First of all, we have to create a file with index.html. That's by code. We have to create a div tag with the class name, login container. This login container having that form. Remove this action. Also, class name is the login form. Login form. First of all, we are having the heading of login. Let's see the output. See the output. Change the document name. Login page. Let's see here. Yes, here it's come. And also, it's having label for username. Have to give name username. That means you can clearly see here. And also we have to give input for this one. Type equal to text equal to username, and also name equal to username. Let's game outside output. Also have to give the label or password. Password. Here you can see the output. Change into capital. We have to give input. For that input tag, type equal to password. ID equal to password. The name equal to password. Okay. Make it as a required. For this one also username also. Make it required. Without submitting, it's cannot submit without entering the username details. Another one is submit button. We have to login. Yes, you can clearly see here login button. Make type equal to submit, because whenever you submit, whenever click on this one, it will go to submit, right? Below this one, make a div tag. Then class name, additional option, because we have to mention password, forgot password, and also we have to mention not a user. They have to sign up. For that, we are giving sign up here. For this, give class forgot password, and give for this one class as a sign up. It's time to add CSS. Now create a file to add style.css. Link to HTML. We have to link to HTML. We have to link above the login page, right? By using link tag, we have to link CSS. Then we have to give style first of all to body. Body equal to, by default you are giving margin equal to 0. You can see here it's moved into left side. And also padding to 0. You can see here. Also, box size equal to border box. Then there is a container. What is the class name? Login container. For that login container, we are adding styles. First of all, I am giving background color is a white, and next I am giving padding. Padding I am giving 20 px. You can clearly see now changes. And also I am applying border. Border shadow is I am giving 0010 px, and I am giving color black. You can see here. And also, sorry, I will give it as a 280 px. You can see now. You can clearly see now. Oh, sorry. I, there is a sharp here, right, at the corner. Then we have to add border radius 8 px. Now it's curved. Yeah, okay. Let's make it to center. For that, we have to add display equal to flex. So flex align items center. Also justify content to center. We have to give height to 100 vertical height. Then you can clearly see here it's came to center. Then it's time to give style to form with the class name login form. Let's go with the login form. We have to display all this text to column side. That means I want this username in one line, and also this input text box in one line, and also this password in one line, and also this text box in one line. For that, we are going to give style display equal to flux. That means by default it select row. We have to specify flex direction equal to column. You can clearly see now username, sorry, password, and all came in a single line by line. And first of all, we have to make this a h1. That means login to center. That means h1 tag, right? h1 text align equal to center. Then it came to center. Now add the color. Color equal to, I will give light gray. Where is that? Which color I have to give? Light gray. Color gray. Sorry. Color equal to black. Let's see now. Light gray. Sorry. It's also not good. By default it is black. Yeah, okay, leave it as black. Then we will go with the label. That means we have to make it some style. We have to add some style. For this label, I'm giving margin top as a 10 px. That means you can see here there is a space came between this username and password. And also I will add, okay, by default it is a black color, right? Yeah, okay. I will let's leave that, it will attractive. And the input type is the right input box. For that input, I will give padding because it is small. I will be giving padding 10 px to become bigger. Yeah, so it's become big. And also I'm adding margin 5 px. That means top, right, and left. Yeah, you can see now the changes. For the input, some spaces came. And also we have to give border. Border is a 1 px. And also I'm giving a solid. And also color is light, slate, gray. Now you can see that whenever I enter the text box, see the borders. Now it's more attractive. Let's apply the radius. Because at the corners it's very sharp, right? We will add border radius 8 px. Oh my god, it's very cool. Then we give 4 px. Yeah, okay, it's not attractive. Then below that one is a login button. That button is also very small. at the side for it. Let's give padding 10 px to become big. Yeah, it's become big. And also background color green. Yes, let's change adjust it color. Okay, it's good. If you want, you can also give font size 10 px, sorry, 15 px, 20 px. Yeah, no, it's become big. Yeah, it's like, and below I don't want borders. Border equal to none because I don't want. Whenever the cursor is moved onto this login button, I want borders and background color has to change. And I want this forgot password button to middle, and also I want some space between this login button and this forgot password. For that, what name I given to them? Yes, class name is additional options. For that, additional options, I'm giving margin top as a 15 px and text align equal to center, right? See the changes. Now some spaces came between login and forgot password, and also it came to center. Yeah, now it's good. Whenever the cursor is moved onto this login, color has to change. For that, I use h over button, h over background color equal to green, and also make it red, white. See now? Yeah, it's good, attractive. I will make this forgot button as a green, and I remove this underline. Whenever I h over into this forgot, I want underline. For that, what name I given? Forgot password class name, text decoration none. Yeah, it's also similar, right? For that also, come on, sign up. Yeah, for this one also it's gone. I will make color as a green. It's become green, and also I will give margin to 0 10 px. Yeah, no, it's more attractive. It's come this side, and also whenever I head over to this forgot password and sign up, underline has to display below this one. For that, dot forgot password head over, and also I use sign up head over text decoration, right? Text decoration is underline. No seats. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it is the end of the code, right? First, we will go through this HTML and extract HTML. These are our code, and also these are CSS. Then let's check the output. Uh, our output. Yeah, let's change the background color. Background color equal to white smoke. Check the background color. Yeah, no, it's okay. You can enter the username, suppose Ramesh, and also password. And you can also click on login. And also you can go with the forgot password. So if you like my video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.